Hi friends, already we discussed and explained about the first stanza of the poem, and today we are going to also explain and decide the second stanza of the poem. In the first stanza, once again I am going to repeat it. The poet has said that God has given us the tongue for two things. You can use it any way. You can express your own thinking, own ability, and what is truth, or you can say also anything which is wrong. But we have to use that what is truth. This is the main message of the first stanza. That's why the poet has said, "Say what you want," and last lines, lights of that day. And our everyday should run like this way, in this way. So be cheerful and get ready for the next stanza. Let's recite. Be who you are. Do as you please. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. Oh no. Poet has really outstanding speeches and words he has used. Be who you are. In the first word of the second stanza, first line, the poet has said that be means already we have many goals, many aims in our life and many targets. And whatever you have in your mind or in your brain, you can go for this one. You can click this option and be like this. Whatever you have in your mind, do as you please. In the first, the poet has used also verb, and the second lines also the poet has used the verb. Why? Because our mind controls us. Our mind indicates us to do anything work. Suppose if you want to do anything, then our mind is supporting. You can go for this one. Suppose we want to taste any tasty food, then our mind is saying that you go and taste it. That's why do as you please. Do means our mind is supporting us. That's why. And please, after that one, we will get satisfaction. We will be pleased. That's the process of mind. And that's why the poet is saying that if you say the truth, then your mind will be pleased. That's why the poet says that you will get satisfaction and your mind will get peace. If you want to get peace, satisfaction, pleasure, or entertainment or happiness, then one and only way is that one: always speak the truth. Always speak the truth, because there is no way and no choice except this one. Be who you are. The poet also said that no need to copy anybody else. Give the value to your own mind. What is your mind? Your mind is saying, be like this one. Because there will not be anything to repent in your life for next time. Because if you give the value to your mind will support you. Your mind is saying quite different thing and you are doing quite different thing, then you will not get pleasure or satisfaction. This is the main message of the poem. Because what is truth? Because our mind is saying quite different thing and we are going for another thing. That's the thing. That's why our mind is not in peace. If you want to find out peace, then you have to go according to your own mind. And you have to follow the rules of the truth. Here in the third line, the poet said that the truth is going to bring you to your knees. One of the great rhetorical speech the poet has said. Bring you your knees means truth will make you humble. Truth will make you humble. Here, the poet has said that if you are lagging behind of honor, respect, and a reputation like something else which is transparent, no need to run behind all these things. All these things will come to you on your feet. Because if you are on the way of the truth, if you say the truth always, then no need to get tense, because truth will give you humble respect. Because everybody will support you, everybody will give the reputation to you, and everybody will praise you. No, you are a great man, you are a good supporter of truth. That's why always try to say truth. The truth is going to, because its result, truth's result is always not transparent but also eternal and lengthy. If you think that one day you will get the taste of the truth, not at all. It will it will give you the long process. How to get cheerful and how to get pleasure. That's why from the very beginning of the poem, the poet has said, say whatever is in your mind, and remember, don't say anything lie because it is the darkness of our mind, and don't do anything, and so don't go any wrong way. So poet is in this way always doing something else, and be who you are. Means try to give the value of to your mind, not to anything else. Do as you please. As you please means our mind is always here and there, and it is urging for quite different things. If you think that, but we have to select always the truth. Maybe our mind is saying many things, it is urging for, but always we have to think that whether it is truth or it is true or false. Don't go in any wrong way or any, which is quite false or unreal, because which is real, this is the perfect point of our life. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. In this line, the poet has said that, truth is eternal, truth is beautiful, and it will make you also beautiful. And if you want to get success, if you want to get achievement, then you just support the truth and always say which is real and which is correct, and whatever your mind is saying. No need to get tense or fear in your mind, because fear, tense and sorrowfulness and lie, all these are cowardice. And be hero. If you want to be a hero, you have to follow the track of the truth. Always the poet is giving us lots of information to us, and how we can get achievement, how we can get success and benefits, what is the benefits of the truth. Everything the poet is giving us through his poetry. And the poet Anthony Smith really superbly he has explained through his poetry from the very beginning of the first and then second stanza of the poem.